As you can tell, I got a regular pencil. Let me get the lead to pop out. It is an actual number 2 pencil lead, however you want to say that. I'm a little shaky at the moment. Oh my god, that's really long. Anyway, here it is. I've got the cables to a battery charger. Okay guys, all I gotta do, I got this in here because every time I do it without the piece of paper, it's just a little bitty spacer. Every time I do it without it, it will break off the lid. I've done this once ahead of time. All I gotta do is stick it in there and make sure it's got a pretty decent grip. And babe, watch your eyes, because I'm gonna show y'all what happens when y'all touch the negative lead to it. I'll give you a little bit of hint. It's gonna catch on fire at first. Maybe. It might be too long. Hang on. Yeah, it's too long. Hang on, guys. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna make it a little bit shorter, guys. And then I'm gonna have to have the light for, or the helmet. Welding goggles for it. Yeah, helmet. I was letting the lead cool off, that's why I waited so long to do anything. Alright. This, well, I went off my hand. This is how short this little thing is. Now, shield your eyes, babe. It slowly grows brighter and brighter. Woo! Sorry, getting hot on my fingers. Alright guys, I was just wanting to show y'all what I found out you could do with lead. And as you can tell, I don't know if it melted it or redone it, but it bent just a little bit. And also I found out the longer you hold it on it, the thinner and thinner the rod gets. Like it slightly evaporates all around it. I think that's what it's doing. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe. My next video is probably going to be over a boat or a boat motor or something like that. So stay tuned. Bye.